And good morning to my Jeep update for Sunday, January 23rd, 2022. And today we got another cold one down in the 30s and a little chilly for me, but I am going to try to do a little work. And what I'm going to be working on today is wiring. I told you about the engine bay wiring, replacing that split hose insulation or flute, whatever you want to call it. But here, well, I got the fan out. I cut the original connector off.
What the heck is wrong with you,
so
boy?
what I think I'm going to do now, I got these connectors. They're not the correct ones. They are 3 wire, 3 plugs. I'm going to, the problem I have, I got to figure out. These I have the 2 blue wires, which is high and low, and I believe the black is power. And on these, you can see I have the red, black, and blue. I would figure the red is power, and this blue would be either high or low speed, and the same with the black. I don't know which one. So I'm gonna have to do a little research on this and try to figure this out, and then go from there. Anyway, I'll get back with you when I find out more intel. That's my Jeep.
Hey, Billy Bob, were you bored, or did they find you somewhere, boy?
This is my Jeep update. Still Sunday morning, and it's about between 10:30, 11 o'clock in that area. And I've been doing some minor work, not much. Really, I wouldn't call it work. Rednecks call it piddling.
Piddling?
That's about what it is.
Well, you can use that high-tech wordage, boy, but we know how dumb you are.
What I'm going to, I've got this accumulator. I've got the one small bolt that holds the both the battery tray. Sorry about that, dropped the phone. The bracket that holds both the battery tray and bolts onto that one bracket of the accumulator there. The one that I didn't have too much of a problem. This other one I'm gonna have to modify. I'm gonna have to fabricate some kind of small bracket and probably use a spacer of some kind. But you see what I did for now, just to hold it from moving around. I put a zip tie in there, which I know is big redneck, but it'll hold it in place until I can make me fabricate a small bracket there to bolt that down and make it permanently secure. Anyway, that's all I've done so far, but I have been doing a little bit of work over here on my fan. I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to make a decision if I'm going to use these cheaper connector plugs, 3-pin plugs that I got. You can see right there. There's the that's the male plug right there. Anyway, you can see the wire is not as heavy as the wire on the fan, and the wire that's on the connections in the engine bay power source. But anyway, I'm debating where I'm going to use this or not. I think I am, and temporarily anyway. I don't know why I cannot find connectors now. We only got one salvage yard close by. There's a bunch of others, so I want to go all the way to Orlando, and I could probably salvage me one. I don't want to be doing that. I want to be driving all over the place looking for stuff and maybe not even find it. So anyway, I'm thinking about, these are brand new, but the wires are pretty light, and I'm not sure the voltage that goes through them. You know, these wires may not last. I don't know how hot they get, but I may end up just putting heat shrink connectors, not these, but I got some nice heat shrink connectors. I could you know, just fuse the lines together, you know, connect them, and then use the heat shrink butt connectors. But I'm gonna make a decision on that, and I'll probably do that this afternoon. It's starting to warm up a little bit. It's supposed to get about 60 degrees, and it's still cool in here. It's probably in the high 40s right now, and but the clouds are lifting, and the sun looks like it's peeking through, and it should be, the winds died down too, so I should be able to work this afternoon. But anyway, that's an update from my Jeep, out for now. And good afternoon, this is a quick My Jeep update. Still Sunday afternoon, about 2:30, the 23rd, I think. 2022. Anyway, while I was looking for, trying to figure out what I was going to do about those connectors on my fan, I come across this little bracket that came off my old front drive shaft. Anyway, I think it's going to work as a bracket to link up this mismatched bracket right here to, let's see, to that hole. From not this, this is where it should be hooked up, but I got a hole here, and it's just about the right length, and I'm gonna try that, and this may work. I went ahead and cleaned it up and painted it, let it get good and dry. And I got 2 washers, and I got this rubber spacer, and I'm gonna use this as spacers. This goes in the valve cover gasket. You know, when you put the bolts down, you know, it's expanded. It's already been popped, but I think it'll work good as a spacer in there, and I have a washer on both sides. Anyway, that's a quick update on my Jeep. And good evening, my Jeep update. Still Sunday, about 5 in the evening, January 23rd, 2022. Finishing up for today. I got a little progress made, and let me show you. I ended up not having to fabricate a bracket. I found something I was able to use in place of making one. It don't look pretty, but it works. I just finished down there, as you can see. You see this little bracket here that came off my old front drive shaft, and I was able to match it up and bolt it in. I'm going to go ahead and leave that, let's see, that zip tie that I put in there. Can't see it, it's hard to tell now because it's painted. I painted this, and it does look sloppy down there. Because,
Sloppy, you got that
I got
right,
the
boy.
silver on my black, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch that up later. I'm just going to do it by hand, you know, by brush, so I don't get it overspray all over this. But anyway, I'm happy with that. This thing is in there good and solid. So the main thing is to see if it's going to leak when we put the vacuum test to it. So I still got a lot to do. Still got wiring to do, stuff like this. This here looks okay, this looks okay, looks fairly new in fact, and you know, this old stuff, this here is not too bad a shape, so I'll probably let it go. But I got on the other side and down in this engine bay, I got a lot of, I've already talked about that, so there's no need to really getting in that again, just repeating myself. But I do have this tubing flute, I think is hose, and I'm going to do, yeah, flute hose. Anyway, and I got me some 1/4 inch coming too, because that's really too big for some of it, and I'm going to be working on that. I want to get that done before I may go ahead and put this line, these lines on. So I've got tape, postal tape is doing a good job keeping that seal. So I got that. I don't want to get any debris down in there and that fresh oil. I don't know, I may just leave it like that because I know nothing's going to get in there while it's like that. So anyway, that's where we stand now, and for any more progress I'll update you, and I will try to get some work done tomorrow. That's my Jeep out for now. And just to let you know, because this video is already getting long, I'll probably go ahead, put it together, and post it. I do that. Oh, and one more note.
Will you make up your mind, boy?
It'll probably be boring and repetitive. I'll speed it up, and if I need to, I'll narrate it